If you're new to TradingView and want to manage your trades like a pro, understanding the risk-reward tool is essential. In this step-by-step beginner tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the risk-reward tool in TradingView, even if you have zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set your entry, stop loss, take profit, and instantly calculate your risk-to-reward ratio. Let's get started. Step 1. Open TradingView and a chart. First, go to TradingView.com and log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open any chart. For this example, you can select a popular pair like Bitcoin or a stock like Apple. It doesn't matter which asset you choose. The tool works the same way on all charts. Now, make sure your chart is visible in full screen mode for better accuracy. Step 2. Locate the risk-reward tool. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see multiple drawing tools. Click on the icon that looks like a trend line. This opens the Drawing Tools menu. Scroll down until you see Long Position, Short Position. These are the risk-reward tools. Use Long Position if you expect the price to go up. Use Short Position if you expect the price to go down. For this example, we'll select Long Position. Step 3. Place the tool on the chart. Click on the chart where you want your trade entry to be. Once you click, drag your mouse upward to set your take profit level. Then drag downward to set your stop loss level. You'll immediately see three main sections: entry price, stop loss, take profit. TradingView automatically calculates risk amount, risk-to-reward ratio. This ratio tells you how much you're risking compared to how much you could potentially gain. Step 4. Adjust settings for accuracy. To customize it, double-click on the risk-reward box. A settings panel will open. Here, you can adjust your account size, set your risk percentage, change position size, modify entry, stop loss, and take profit precisely. This is extremely useful for proper risk management. For beginners, many traders aim for at least a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. That means risking 1 unit to potentially gain 2 units. Step 5. Why this tool is important. The risk-reward tool helps you plan your trade before entering the market. Instead of guessing, you can clearly see how much you're risking, how much you can potentially earn, and whether the trade makes sense. This keeps emotions out of trading and improves long-term consistency. And that's how you use the risk-reward tool in TradingView. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly TradingView and trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.